Good afternoon, everybody. Um, can you all hear me?
Yes. Good afternoon, Micah.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Okay, so let's look at the chart. Today, without having any impact news, we are only having middle impact, which is in Europe, and there is WEF meeting today. Let's see, World Economic Forum meeting today. So many things they can talk about the economic informations, projections, and all that. But there's no impact news today, so which take us directly to our chart. So let's look at our charts. We are going to start with the United States dollar itself. And I'm going to open my chart. And what I'm going to do, okay, so what I'm going to show us here, it's we look at the daily time frame for dollar, right? And ever since Trump's inauguration, from the perception of weekly time frame, we're looking at market reaction at this level. So market reactions at this level, which is 109.407 region, which we started seeing a reversal pattern, which shows this an head and shoulder pattern on dollar, right? Head and shoulder pattern on dollar indices. Head and shoulder pattern on dollar indices. So this, then looking at 4 hours time frame, we're also seeing some level of market movement to the down path. So the current sentiment for dollar is bearish, right? So what are we going to do? We pick the highs. This is the high, right? Okay, and our support level will be here also. This is on 4 hours. Then I go to daily time frame. Now for daily time frame, we are literally bearish on dollar indices. We are bearish on dollar indices, and we are literally looking towards some market reactions, reversals, and all that. I saw something spectacular here, right? So this is a support between resistance and also a key pattern, which is a reversal pattern. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to roll my line, right? So I'm rolling this high, hoping for a market retracement here to continue selling. So currently we are looking for a market retracement on dollar to continue selling. So at the moment, dollar seems bearish. So we look towards this level, 107.909 region before we sell dollar. So this is literally, we are literally on the retracement phase. So once dollar comes in to this level, then if it breaks, then we sell. But if it doesn't, then if it breaks this level, right? So if dollar moves to this upside and breaks this 107.909, retraces and moves to the upside. So it means we are looking at this 108.489 region. But if it doesn't, I'm looking towards for reversal pattern here, hopefully engulfing bearish candle before we sell. So USDX will wait for this retracement to be over before buying or selling USDX. So um, let's get started. So this is real to JPY. Sorry. So here's JPY. So here's the JPY line chart, right? So we are still having this level also. I'll look at this as the high, and I'll look at so this as the low, right? Because I have a break of structure on this move. So this is the high, right? And for internal movement, we are looking at this level because this is supposed to be a strong high. Now for daily time frame, so for daily time frame, sorry about that. So now for daily time frame, we had a bearish pattern here showing us that the current sentiment for USD JPY, we are going to look towards selling. Okay, so we look forward to 4 hours time frame, and we have seen a break here, market forming series of lower lows and higher highs, right? So market forming lower lows and higher highs. So what are we looking at in this 4 hours? We've understood the fact that this is a bearish pattern, right? So this is a bearish pattern, and we are also looking at this high also. So what are we waiting for? We have a lower high here, and this part is extremely dicey. Why? Because market is trying to form a higher low, and if market could break this high, because I'm going to take this high, let me reframe this resistance, which is around 156.285 region. So, like I said earlier, we are strongly in a retracement phase, and I'll be looking forward to sell USJPY at this level. Okay, I'm looking forward to sell USJPY at this level because this level is a very, very strong, significant high, right? So that level is a very, very strong, significant high. I'm talking of 156.285 region. I'm changing the candlesticks pattern, and I'm buying up to this level. So once I buy up to this level, right, and I see a perfect rejection, I'm still going to sell USJPY. Okay, so it's always better for us to trade with the trend. It's better for us to trade with the trend, and if we understand this trend, we would see that this level, right, from here, let me take it from here. If we have a break here, right? Okay, so let's see what will happen because market has broken this trend line. Okay, market breaks that trend line, and we are having a rejection at this zone. So we might literally have a short push on USJPY to 1.156.28 region. Okay, so we're gonna have a push. Let me see. 56 pips. So my ideal place for entry is 156.285 region, which I would love to see sellers coming in because this was the origin of where we had sellers and market breaks this low, right? So we are literally looking for a short buy to sell scenario. I'd rather wait for the trend, which means I'd rather wait for the market to get to that resistance before I sell, right? So do we have any entry at the moment? No, there's no entry at the moment. Yeah, there's no entry at the moment. We are currently close to this resistance. If I are to buy, we look forward to buy here at 155.645. We could buy up to 156.285. But at the moment, we don't have an entry. We only have what is happening here because this level. So let's see what will happen at this moment also before we see sellers coming into the market. So this is USD Let's go to Euro USD. So like I said, this at the moment, we don't have any entry yet. We don't have any entry at the moment, right? So what I will just do, I'll pick here as the low, then this is the high, right? Um, Weekly time frame, then we go back. This second movement, so this is resistance. Also, this is another resistance. So market are looking this resistance. We are having a something like a reversal pattern in the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we are kind of bullish sentiment on daily time frame, even though we have market break this low, I mean this high, also at this strong supply zone. So what I'm expecting, it's I would love to see sellers at this supply. I love to see sellers at this supply on 4 hours time frame. Also, um, market has not shown strength of it has not shown signs of sales here. So it has not shown signs of sales. I've not seen, you can see that market breaks this high and we are moving to the top side. So meaning that Euro USD is on a retracement phase as well. And when markets is retracing, there's nothing we can do. The best we can do is just to wait for um, an area where we can buy or sell. Okay, so we are currently at retracement phase, so we have to wait. The market is retracing to find another entry for buys. Okay, so at the moment there is no entry. I'll just have to draw some zones so that when market gets to that zones, then we will know when to buy or when to sell. Okay, so that is that on Euro USD. I'm not going to spend much of our time. After USDCHF, I would love to look at gold and we'll wrap it up for this afternoon. So if you have any pair that you want us to, that you want to learn from, kindly signify so that, I mean, I want us to analyze, kindly signify so that we can look to the pair together. So I've not seen any entry because I don't want us to trade against the trend. I've not seen any entry at the market at the moment. There's no entry yet at the moment. USDCHF, same thing. I'm not going to change the line chart at the moment. We had a reversal pattern and this kind of shows pressures of sellers. So I am literally looking forward to much sales, probably after a tangible retracement. After a tangible retracement, then on 1 hour time frame, I'll look forward to a retracement at this level because this is a rally-based drop zone. And if I look at 4 hours, let me see. Yeah. So it's at a very, very strong resistance area. So the rejection at that level will give me an entry for a proper sell, right? The rejection at this level, 0.90685 for a proper sell. So I'm vigilant and I'm watchful on USCHF. So the last one for the day is gold. Please, if you want to trade, if you're looking at, if you want us to analyze any pair, kindly signify so that we can look at it together. So weekly time frame also, I'll change to line chart. Then we had our highs and our lows. So below and high. So I'll look at this level, right? And if you look at 4 hours time frame, we would see that market has broken this high, and you can see this level could be a retest. So we are also in a retracement phase for gold. We are also in a retracement phase for gold. If gold breaks 2747 region, then we might look towards selling down to around 2709 region. So we are looking at a sell to buy scenario for gold. I'm looking at a sell to buy scenario for gold. If gold could drop and break this 2757 area, 2747, 2745 area, then I will sell, look forward to changing my bias. But at the moment, we are still bullish on gold. We are just in a retracement phase. This might look like a short reversal, but it is not. Okay, it is not a short reversal. We just need to see how it works. So it is not a short reversal. We just need to see how it works, right? So let's wait and see what will happen at this level before we know when to buy or where to sell. So trading involves much more patience, and we still need to look at what will literally happen. I would have loved to say we should use a buy stop order for gold, but we still need more and more patience for entry into the market. So any further signals will be dropped on our funded client group. If you are not on the funded client group, kindly fund your account so that you can be added to the funded client group. Also, we're going to have a first stock webinar on, we also have our first webinar for the year on commodities like stock, cryptos, and all that, and how we can make money and treat them with PE Prime. So let's also get ready. The link will be sent, and also the registration link will also be sent out. Have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Have a great day.
You too.